YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna unbox this mystery unboxing. I asked my wife, did she order anything? She said no, and maybe her secretary ordered something. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So we don't even know what's inside here, so let's go and get it started. So since I'm an unboxing master, so she want me to unbox it and reveal what is in here. Hopefully there's no bomb. What the? Seems like a seat cushioning. 1, 2, 3, and then there is no invoice. Check it out. Oh, it's a set of 2. 2, 4, 6. It seems like this is for our house because we have a 6 wooden stool. She probably forgot. Let me check it out. Wow. So you got this elastic around the rim right here for the stool, and then there's a little padding. This padding might be thin. Hopefully it's gonna hurt the butt after it's sitting for a while. So this is like a pretty nice brownish color. And then we got 6 of this total. So anyway, this is my quick unboxing for this unknown mystery unboxing. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, like always. Peace. And then this is what it look like. It's kind of look funny on the back. I mean on the bottom right here. And then those are the old cushioning, which is very thick. But as you can see on the elastic, it is worn out. So it's time for a new replacement. This is what it looked like originally, and then we put the old padding on the bottom. So we're gonna stick with this, and it's more comfy. All right.